Imagine waking up to discover you can't open your garage door at all. This frustrating scenario often occurs when a garage door cable breaks. Garage door cables are vital for smooth operation, counterbalancing the door's weight and preventing misalignment during use. A broken cable doesn't just affect the door itself, it strains springs and rollers, potentially leading to costly repairs. Have you noticed your garage door suddenly slamming shut or moving unevenly? These could be critical signs of cable failure. Ignoring a broken cable may seem minor, but it increases the risk of significant safety hazards for you and your loved ones. Moisture and rust can wreak havoc on garage door cables, causing them to weaken and ultimately snap under pressure. Improper installation is another common culprit, putting unnecessary strain on the entire garage door system. Recognizing the signs early is crucial. Loose, dangling cables or a loud snapping sound can indicate impending trouble. When a cable breaks, your home's security could be at stake, leaving your vehicle and belongings exposed to threats. Instead of attempting dangerous repairs, call a professional garage door service. It's the best way to ensure safety and efficiency.